Well, thank you very much and for hosting me at the club. As a president of the Federation of Aligarh Alumni Association in Washington, D.C., and on behalf of all the associations in the U.S. and all the partners other than our associations, we are in great support of your program. We supported this program last year, and we applaud you for your achievements, and you have done a wonderful job so far. Inshallah, you'll do the great job this coming year, and we will be happy to support you in whatever the endeavors you need. But more importantly, we want to partner with you, not just in a transactional relationship that we are providing you financial support, that of course we will do. That goes without saying. What is more important is that we want to do is we want you to be a #1 club in this country and across the globe. For that, we can provide you logistical support, we can provide you financial support, and we will provide you moral support. Whatever is needed, we are here for you to help. You can count on us, and we'll be with you all together. Good luck for your program, and inshallah, it'll be a great success. Come and join in big numbers this program on March 6th, 7th, and 8th, 2020.